we venture south. An hour and a half's flight away takes us to the Barquit archipelago and the famous black rocks of El Nido. Global travelers are drawn here in search of exotic beauty. This is Palawan, a paradise of hidden lagoons, secret coves, and spectacular rock formations. By paddling in glass-bottomed canoes, the couple can glimpse the mysterious world below. For the intrepid holidaymaker, there is no better way of seeing the Philippines than island hopping. The Barquit archipelago is a labyrinth of little islands, bays and fjords. Great craggy limestone cliffs, coated in exotic jungle vegetation, rise from the crystal clear waters. This has to be one of the most beautiful marine habitats on Earth. For an ultimate journey, untouched, uninhabited sandy beaches lie in wait.
It's wonderful. It's like you never see the place like that. Look at the rock. It's and even the water very clear, very hot. It's wow. It's perfect. It's wonderful.
Another attraction of the Barquit archipelago is the spectacular diving. Kurt is a diving instructor working on the central Philippine island, so Beatrice is in good hands as they take the plunge. The vast, colorful shoals and reefs are legendary among divers. And because the reefs are only meters from the beach, access is easy, so it's simple to move between diving spots. Beatrice and Kurt have decided to treat themselves to a few days of luxury at a secluded resort on the tiny island of Manilok, reputed to have some of the finest dive sites in the region. For a more rugged expedition, the couple use their guide to lead them through the jungle. This path leads to an observation platform, offering an elevated view of the island. There are hundreds of islands in the Barquit archipelago. From here, they can see the 45 scattered through El Nido Bay. The backdrop is Palawan, the 5th biggest island in the Philippines.
It's wild. It's really the nature. It's a lot of rock and
The view is spectacular from here. Simply majestic.
Quite hard to come here.
Although it was well worth the effort. After a few days of the Robinson Crusoe lifestyle, the ultimate challenge. The volcanic rock formations of El Nido offer the perfect place for first-time climbers, with plenty of crevices to grip. Still, it's not for the faint-hearted. But what better way to have an adventure while getting spectacular views of the islands? The cliff conquered, the relieved couple head back down to earth.
That was scary.
Oh, you can do things like that.
Shaken, but not stirred.
Okay, that was nice.
No, we don't.
Very nice. My first time, really good.
Thank you very much.
Rock climbing is not for everyone, but for the less energetic traveler, the volcanic formations conceal other treasures that can be explored. Small tunnels can open into spectacular cathedral-sized caves, the result of thousands of years of insistent erosion from wind and rain. The rocks of El Nido have long captured the imaginations of explorers and adventurers, so much so that this natural treasure has now been declared protected by the regional government of Palawan.